Hello everyone. I got good news. After researching, thinking a lot, the three fork have the same tolerance, so anyone have to replace or build or something like that. So, what's the point here? The point is on eBay. On eBay, sell or Mopar company sells extender chip for 135 and the other one for 24 reverse gears. Okay, you don't have to buy that one extender because this is the extender for 1, 3 and 5. The little difference between the original fit and the aftermarket extender is right here. The stock extender shift had 1 millimeter more than the extender gear that you can find on eBay. Just you have to do is with the machine cut right here 1 millimeters, just here. If you can see, I did myself. I don't need anymore to buy extender chip for 135. The tolerance lose it in the three fork. This is the solutions, cause with time they have to could have a tolerance 1%, 1.5%. The second one that was my problem is right here in 4. I did the same thing. If you see, they are aligned. So when I change to okay, when supposedly this is mounted in the transmission, and I was driving and I have to engage for gear. That's the tolerance that I need. Did you see? This is the tolerance right here. 1 millimeters here and 1 millimeter right here. I have to disassemble this bird and with this bird 1 millimeter I have to cut no more than 1 millimeters. That's the tolerance that I need. You can see. We don't problem with anyone because this is in the 5 number 4, I'm sorry. We don't have problem in the shifter cable. 3 neutral, 4. Normally this knot, I think right there is the difference. If we can see, that was the difference that I did this. So I got the solutions. I make a new video after install all of this stuff. Grading.